Alright, let's do this. I've only got two 12 mils holding it in. And the injectors just sit in here. They spin freely. A little bit of fuel left in there. There we go. Yeah, these seals. Yeah, the seals are rock hard. I'm doing all this work and I'm starting to worry that the misfire isn't even from the injectors, but I mean, they look kind of grody. If nothing else, the seals are rock hard. Let me show you a new one. These are remanufactured. They're like 25 bucks a piece, which is literally 10% of the cost of OEM brand new ones. So yeah, new versus old. That's rock hard. That's squishy. Okay, if nothing else, the seals needed to be done. I do have to send these back for a core deposit. Oh yeah, that one lost its seal. So I will make sure to keep these handy. Oh yeah, this is what we found in the V of the engine, and my suspicion was it's a spacer. It may still be a spacer, but it's not for this one. So that's still a mystery. Yep, everything just pops out. Nice. Make sure my new seals fit in there properly. Okay, we got 8 good injectors here, and do a double check that they come with all necessary seals. This guy down here, little spacer, top one. I thought they had 4 seals per injector, but looking like 3. So we're good to go here. Gave these a final clean out, and they, yeah, okay, so that's loose. Watch out for that. They look like they're the same both ways, so. Oh, cool, there's a little pop, so you know they're in. There we go. And then the rail just goes on top. Oh yeah, that's the right rear corner, so this must go here. Alright, I guess we're forcing the new seal up in there. Takes a little bit of pressure. There we go. Let's not forget a bracket. Okay, they're pretty snug. And they were just sitting there. We're compressing these seals down here, so it's not going to take much just to hold it in place. Alright, let's do the other side. And of course I forgot a little bit of lube. That's why the other side was so hard to seat. Put a little bit of grease on these and it should go a lot smoother. Yes, that's much easier. Much easier. Okay, that's in. That's 8 new injectors in, and they do spin without much effort. They're just kind of sitting in there. It's kind of funny, all this high pressure fuel, all those injectors just sitting there between 2 rubber gaskets held in place by 2 little nuts. But that's all done, ready to go back in the car, and we're going to do that tomorrow.